What if the strongest move in a heated argument is saying nothing at all, not defending yourself, not explaining, just silence? It sounds simple, but in dark psychology, silence is one of the most powerful psychological influence tools. And once you understand how it works, you'll never see quiet moments the same way again. The human brain is addicted to certainty. When someone suddenly becomes silent, our mind goes into overdrive. We replay conversations. We search for mistakes. We imagine worst-case scenarios. This mental tension is not random. It's a psychological response to uncertainty. In dark psychology, silence creates that uncertainty on purpose. And uncertainty creates emotional pressure. Think about this. In any interaction, the person who reacts first often gives away emotional control. But the person who pauses, who stays calm, who doesn't rush to respond, automatically appears more confident. Silence shifts power dynamics. It slows the conversation down and forces the other person to fill the gap. And when people rush to fill silence, they often reveal their insecurities, intentions, or weaknesses. Silence also increases perceived value. When someone is always available, always responding instantly, their attention feels common. But when someone speaks less and chooses their words carefully, their presence feels rare. And in psychology, rarity increases value. This is why controlled silence can increase attraction. Mystery triggers curiosity, and curiosity builds emotional investment. However, here's the important truth. There is a thin line between powerful silence and emotional manipulation. The silent treatment, intentionally ignoring someone to make them feel anxious or guilty, is not strength. It's control through emotional withdrawal. Over time, this damages trust and creates resentment. Dark psychology may give short-term power, but it often destroys long-term connection. Real power of silence comes from self-control, not punishment. It's the ability to pause when you're angry. It's choosing not to argue just to win. It's being secure enough that you don't need constant validation. When you master your reactions, silence becomes a sign of emotional intelligence. Confident people don't speak just to fill space. They observe, they listen, they respond with intention. Their silence is not weakness, it's discipline. And discipline is attractive. When your words are limited, they carry more weight. If you want to use silence wisely, remember this. Use it to protect your energy, not to manipulate others. Use it to think clearly, not to create fear. Use it to maintain dignity, not to control emotions. Because silence can create curiosity. Silence can create attraction. Silence can create power. But only mature silence creates respect. So the next time you feel the urge to react instantly, pause. Let the silence do the work. Sometimes the most powerful statement you can make is no statement at all. If this perspective changed how you see communication and psychological power, comment "Silence is power" and subscribe for more deep psychology and mindset content.